So pitch long si cricket patul lo, lah lah ha, lah dak ke bapa bepin, lah ke soil long pitch tu yo, tu lang thay yo, dah ha no ha, pek cricket pitch ke, asong kali dah neng bap do neng semi chow lo, this really is beautiful, lah ke second pitch lo, kita ke patul pitch lo bang, sepe ahok pet pitch ke, tason neng ho, lah bang non bap do lo, lah neng kan si lo so bap kita, durbu na bap, lah ke leadership lo. Silas daksi na bapa sopo intip po ngara daksi pakoy po lalo pote hokpet real cricket pitch ke dano. It's really amazing place, amazing way to play cricket is to play on this kind of grassy pitch where you can turn the ball if you put your effort, you can extract bounce, swing, pace, and for the batsman also can score runs. If you are giving maximum effort after sweating it out in the ground. So this is Casa Cricket Ground here in Difu. It's really amazing. The last green pitch is the western part or northwestern part of Difu town. It's really amazing place to play cricket. If you want to play cricket, you have to play on this kind of track. This is Difu Casa Cricket Ground. It's really amazing, and white set screen is really event Chiklampik la ke Hokpet Cricket Ground mo babing tip po apen ke raksi patupo la hello ilitum ke non sigido chenglang an cricket patuta non sig semar ke chenglang ta chokji ning chipaning ding na la yo la me pik ta lang tha na tu mangote lah na yo lah na yo lah mi pick puta lalo English cricket ground nang lakla English country cricket ground so beautiful, so beautiful. Okay, cricket pitch lo dak kan ho dak pen na liang si la dak pen si if you to hit 6 from here straight, that is around still have to count, but itu mau cricket ground do, so cricket ground pen dak on si thema la punat la ili king kam chior kumpu 1 dak pen hade 1 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 on si dei ma dang le 165 feet pulute 1 meter long ke say 3.1 36 something inches maybe think that 3 feet pule na ya 3 feet pule na lalo pote hudak na ange 55 meters again turn cell pulute 65 ke kom nai lo 65 pulute 65 meter pulute non dak 55 meter pulute non hole galerian bagdam na la masih itu standard bang bicara Casa Cricket Ground lo anutin chini nai isi kimesen phan asila dak pen ke theng ho la set screen ke lok an pulote kwan meter jima labang lang na semeno la dak pension no la dak betting po la ka stam ki sumudi lo dak stam ki sumudi pen nang li hol bandrian ke theng pulote la pu ke 55 meter la si no la so dak lang hinang dak pen hol pitch anu pulote pu julo pulote la ke 20.16 meter meong se hol so pitch pen stam ki sum pen hopan le tu la khapono na okay hat ni hat pen bang lo hodak pen bang lo la si no na bang ke dak pen ko le tu pun thol pon na ko an se dei ma la stam sum lo dak pen ho dak pen 1 2 3 niliking op khan de anak lo la 1 feet do lo se dak pen ko an se dei ma tum lang pon na khopan 2 ready 3 lo 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 la ke set screen lo la so set screen pen dak anke 60 lo 61 lo 62 63 64 65 66 67 68 69 70 71 something, let's say 171 feet ho dak panaan pulte 171 feet pulte okay lalu pulte 57 meters itum hodak pana thengi lalo no si lalo this is how much we do heat right from there. Still long way to go. The likes of Abhishek Sharma sinong ke 6 ke theng ong nai lo. Rohit Sharma India international cricket long ke theng ong nai lo. Talan ke lateng theng jet lo lalo. Okay la si itum chali yo na lang thek jin ta chokpo. Thank you so much.